What's up, guys? So we're gonna spell a wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we'll have so if or 10, yeah, that's the maximum. We're gonna scroll down. Let's spin the wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like that. So currently have 30. So please, let's spin this wheel. Oh man, it's what? 12 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's spin the wheel again. Boy, wish I got this hunter. And wait, what? Ay, hindi ko pa nalala. And it's 25. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 22, 20. Oh wait, mali. 21 or is it 22? Wait, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 12, 12, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, boy. Let's spin that wheel. Let's see what we got. And wait, what? 6, 12. Oh wait, 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21. And let's spin the wheel again. And it's gonna be 24. What's in 24? Well, I don't know. 12, 12, 6, 12, 6, 12, 24. This. Oh, I wish 19. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, what? Please 19. Wow, I get 19. Well, I bring my friend here. Yes. This unit's kinda, I don't know. I just said 3, 5, 6, 25. Yeah, like that. No, he thinks I'm AFK. He thinks I'm AFK. He thinks. He thinks I'm AFK. This is what I did. He thinks I'm AFK. And yeah. Well, seems promising, bro. And we. Oh, yo! Yeah, yes, I'm laughing. Yeah, update is still holding. And yeah, he start doing that. Yeah, maybe sorry. Look at it, please. Just put another one right here. Max it. Good. I don't think we can survive on this, bro. Blue laser, I don't know. How we supposed to survive? And this is the, I don't know. Bro, Infantic Titan, bro. This is where I lose. A nightmare, of course. No, wait, no, no, laser scientist toilet. No, 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 no. Oh, so long. Come on, just end already. So we can redo this challenge and win. I guess. I will win. For this challenge, guys, we gonna whatever we get this, we gonna use here. Dum. And come on. Only two, bro. I'm seeing a pattern here. Yeah. But I need to hear boom 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 micro. We're gonna die here for sure. And the number again is the number 24. 24 for so we could go back to our own. Oh, but let's go. This is it. And let's use this. No. And the 24. So sell this. Equip this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next one is what? What is next? Is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on. Is this really my unit? Guys, can I change this too? Yes, thank you. So, yeah, 23, 22, 23, 22, please. 23. Oof. And this is the best. Now I just need 22. And I'm win. And it's gonna be 22. Let's go. And yeah. Well, I did not know that it's, but here we wrote them. That's why why I have 300. I don't, I'm not supposed to have 300. Yeah, much better. 200. It means we need to be faster. Oh, if only we could be faster. Like wave 5 already. Yeah. We are already in wave 5. Like what I wish. Wave 5. But bro, no. Oh, it's fine. And we are wave 5. This is the hard bro. I had to skip a lot of I don't even know. Makiklear ba na ito yung mga yun? But naman, 800. Di ko alam, makiklear mo kaya? So, I mean, we can clear this. Oh no, this is the way. This is where the baso, right? Baso? Toilet? Oh gosh, here it comes. Why? Why this way, bro? At least we're now in solo. That means it's more good. Update, update, update! Update! This is an update! 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 I max all of my moneymaker and almost marks 2TC, which is gonna be crazy. Although I wish that I got the. Oh wait, did I forget to equip my UTM? I think it is. Oh, not. I got, but I need to. No, I only have 3 good units. I wish next game it been good. I mean, this cameraman. Look, if we place him, the maximum. So another update. We're getting that here, and I max this one. I don't know about this guy, but and he's sleep again. Bro, sometimes I don't know what's wrong with these Titans. UTC, bro. They always sleeping, bro. I put you there so you don't sleep, but you're sleeping, so you're dead. Oh god, that's why we lose, but hey, this is their leader. Their leader is pretty strong. This is their leader, and he's not scared of anything because he is the boss in this. Well, not gonna lie, this is the boss. But this is the boss of this squad. But this is the boss of the boss of this squad. And this is the boss of the boss of the boss in this squad of the boss. Yes. So technically, the leader is none of them. What? Hey, because this is the leader. They give the money. Funny thing, bro. This is the only two that is not. No. All of this is cameraman, but this two is not. So wait. Sorry boss. I'm gonna shut up now. Yell at me. Ay, may luwa. Sol. Nom nom. Mm, 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 mm.